You won't believe if I say these animals are criminals. Let's start with raccoons. Little fuzzy bandits, wearing a mask and carrying snacks that aren't even theirs. They wash their food like they're prepping for a five-star heist. Then there's monkeys. These guys, professionals. They steal sunglasses, snacks, and your trust. One literally traded a stolen phone for a banana. That's some real hustle. And cats? Oh, they don't steal things. They steal your bed, your soul, and any sense of personal boundaries. Follow for more wild facts about animals with criminal vibes, and enjoy the clips that are, say it with me, totally not planned.